Pleiadian councils of light will speak on healing and multidimensional healing, for this is the subject, is it not, on Healing Wednesdays. We say that all human beings have the ability to heal and to be healed. And another way of voicing this is to say that all human beings are made of energy and have the ability to receive and transmit energy, and moreover have the ability to listen or tune in to energy. And so the form of multidimensional chakra healing that we have invented, if you like, through our channel involves learning how to tune in to a chakra of another, of the client, let us say, and to allow a recalibration that brings the chakric wheel into a state of integrity, which could be called harmony, which could be called a coherent field. Now, the reason that this is such a wonderful technique and form of healing is because you move from the thoughts and emotions and beliefs that have caused the incoherence within the chakric wheel, and as the chakric wheel comes into coherence, so this feeds through to the physical body and to the life circumstances of the person who is receiving this. And so when you effect a recalibration within a chakric wheel, you get this double whammy where the person is assisted in recalibrating thoughts, beliefs and emotions that have not served them, and also recalibrating within the physical biology and the life circumstances of that person. And so we will simply suggest that you listen to some of the healing and balancing chakra meditations that we have channeled through this one in order to become more familiar with your own chakras. And then, if you are still interested, you can advance to working with the chakras outside of the body, which are not personal chakras, but within which activations assist you in connecting with all that is above and all that is below. Connecting with your higher self aspects, with your star soul family and with all that is, and connecting through the Earth Star portal chakra at the bottom of your aura with the core crystal of the planet in a more meaningful way. This is simply a very short summary of the healing that we are teaching at this time, and we hope to give many gifts in relation to this healing to all of those who are open, to open yourself to your own healing and also to working in simple ways with healing others through the recalibration of your chakric wheels. And so it is. It has been a delight to speak with you and to feel your energy just as you feel our energy. And so it is. Namaste. Love and thank you to the guides.